What a fantastic day with temperatures once again climbing back into the 50s and even some low 60s around the region. We've made it to 59 degrees today in Lincoln. That is the warmest for the state since the 1980s, so 34 years. And it ties for the fourth warmest for the date since 1887. So just some fantastic weather. I hope you got a chance to go out and enjoy it. If you didn't today, tomorrow is your last day before we start to get some changes coming our way. Take a live look right now from Allo Communications, looking off to the southwest, and things are pretty quiet outside this evening. Not a bad evening to get out there and maybe run some errands. Temperatures are sitting in the 40s to low 50s. I have to remind you, our normal high temperature is 35 degrees for this date. So even as of 6 o'clock, we are well above our normal high temperature. As we go through the rest of the evening, temperatures will be dropping down into the 30s by 9 o'clock, but then slowly falling off from there. I think eventually we'll see our lows dropping into the upper 20s to right around 30 degrees. We'll see mostly clear skies, winds out of the northwest. At times we may have a few gusts to 15 miles per hour. Now tomorrow morning, we'll start with a little sunshine. We'll call for mostly sunny skies, but as we head towards the afternoon, clouds will quickly be on the increase, turning our skies mostly cloudy, if not partly sunny. But you'll notice the temperature still rebounding back up into the 50s by afternoon. I'm forecasting a high of 54 in Lincoln, 54 in Beatrice, as well as in Seward, and maybe just a little warmer out towards Kearney, Hastings, and Hebron. And winds tomorrow will slowly move to the north, 5 to 12, with a few gusts to 18 miles per hour. Across the country, things are relatively quiet right now, but we are turning our attention off to the northwest coast of the United States, specifically the southwest coast of Canada. And this area highlighted in yellow. This is an area of low pressure. We were tracking it yesterday, moving across the Pacific. It's just about onshore. And that's part of the problem, is it's not onshore just yet. This is going to impact us on Friday and Saturday morning. The computer models, though, can't really sample the energy until it gets over land, so we're likely not going to have a really good idea of what's going to happen with this system until tomorrow evening, I think, at the earliest. It's going to be a fast-moving system. You'll notice on Stormcast Thursday morning, the system is up over the southwest portion of Canada. It quickly dives off to the south and east, arriving into Nebraska by late Friday morning. Now, I do think we may see a period of some rain showers in southeast Nebraska initially Friday afternoon. But as temperatures start to cool throughout the entire atmospheric column and at the surface, we'll see that transitioning over to snow. Right now, it looks like the bulk of the snow will be just to the east of the Nebraska-Iowa state line and keeps diving off to the south through Missouri. However, we'll still see some snow showers in the eastern portions of Nebraska, and the potential for some accumulating snows is still there. A winter storm watch is in effect for Friday into Saturday morning, mainly to the east of the Nebraska-Iowa state line at this time. I would not be surprised if we see some advisories issued. And you can see from the latest storm impact forecast suggesting we could see minor impacts for portions of southeast Nebraska. Once you get to Omaha, where the amounts will be slightly higher, that's where we'll likely see some moderate impacts. So keep that in mind if you have travel plans through the day on Saturday. 7-day forecast shows we'll see cooler temperatures here on Saturday with a high of 28 degrees. Things look to be relatively fine for MLK Junior Day on Monday, and then maybe a chance for some snow flurries or some snow showers coming in by the middle of next week with temperatures seasonable, highs in the 30s with lows down into the teens.